Balancing performance and efficiency, the Genesis Electrified G80 offers different drive modes for varying conditions. Drive modes enable the driver to change the vehicle's performance characteristics according to various road conditions. The Drive Mode button can be found on the center console. Press the button to cycle through various preset drive modes. Comfort Mode is preset to automatically alternate between two-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, depending on the road condition. Eco Mode improves energy efficiency and provides a smoother response by limiting the maximum power output of your vehicle and selecting two-wheel drive. Note that even in Eco Mode, the vehicle may automatically switch between two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive when I-pedal or one-pedal driving is activated. The temperature is too low, or when encountering sloped or slippery roads. Sport Mode brings out the high-performance characteristics of the vehicle by firming up the steering and handling features. It also improves the motor response and sets the vehicle to all-wheel drive mode. Note that the distance to empty range will decrease with the higher performance of Sport Mode, and spirited driving will further decrease driving range. Press and hold the Drive Mode button to select Snow Mode. When Snow Mode is selected, the front and rear motors are engaged at all times and the vehicle distributes torque evenly between them. You can also set your own custom drive mode by pressing Setup, then Vehicle Settings, Drive Mode, and then Custom. From this menu, you can select a mixture of vehicle performance characteristics that can allow the electrified G80 to suit your driving style. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.